Welcome to another Acadia Point of Sale video guide. In this video, we'll show you how to build a custom landing page to showcase your customer rewards program. To get started, log in to your Acadia dashboard, look at the sidebar and click on Marketing. This will take you to our Marketing Integration dashboard, Local Rewards. Once on the dashboard, click on Landing Pages. On the next panel, click on New Page. First, you'll enter your page's initial details like the page name and description. Keep in mind that both the name and description in this section are used internally to help you keep your various marketing campaigns organized. Next, you'll move into the Content Editor, which is divided into three powerful panels. The first panel is the HTML Content Editor. Here you'll set the official landing page title that your customers will see. You can use the built-in AI assistant to write and generate your copy and format the page automatically, and you can use the integrated code editor to customize the HTML directly for advanced styling. The second panel is Landing Page Images. To make your page visually engaging, you can upload, link, or insert up to 10 different images. The system fully supports standard image formats, including PNG, JPG, GIF, and WEBP. The third panel is Supported Placeholders. This tool allows you to dynamically customize fields on your page to tailor it to your campaign's needs. You can easily insert smart placeholders like first name, last name, email, birthday, city, or customer group. Please note, this page must strictly contain information regarding customer enrollment, points, and rewards. For it to remain compliant, it must be used only with customers who have signed up for your rewards program. Let's start by describing our landing page in the Composer to our AI assistant. For this specific build, we will highlight our three reward tiers. At the 100-point level, customers can pick a premium latte or smoothie, or $3 off their next purchase. At 250 points, the options include an artisanal cheese board, or $10 off. And at the maximum tier of 500 points, they can choose between 2 pounds of premium salmon, or $25 off. While the page generates, let's proceed to upload the images we will use, and then insert each image on the landing page on its corresponding location. Once the page HTML code is generated, we will proceed to insert each image into it. Once your images and text are set, click the Preview button to see exactly how your page will look to customers. This preview option is very useful to double-check if you missed anything on the content of the page or to check how your landing page is going to look. Next, click Review and Publish to open the final confirmation panel. Give it one last check, and if everything looks correct, click Publish to generate your live landing page link. With your new landing page officially live, you are ready to start launching targeted marketing campaigns. You can include a link to this landing page on SMS or email campaigns, which we will cover step by step in our next video. For more video guides, subscribe to the Acadia Point of Sale YouTube channel.